What's up, guys? This is day 2 of the storm. Day 2 of the windstorm. This windstorm has got way better. Please ignore the honking, if you can hear it. I was in the front yard. Now I'm in the backyard, so yeah. It's not that bad right now. It's gonna get more bad. I'll make another video, or like another part, like part 2. I'll put it up. Yeah, part 2. Don't worry. Part 2 will be up here. Say hi, Roscoe. Say hi to the camera. Say hi, Roscoe. Roscoe. Say hi. Yeah. Anyway, it's not that bad. It was like this bad. Like, this is how fast my hand was moving. That's how bad it was. Like, that bad. Like, that bad. That bad. Anyway, I'm just gonna wait here until it gets badder. See? See, look, it's gonna be like a thunderstorm also around here. And it was raining, and it's cloudy, and it's windy. And like, what kind of storm is that? It's like everything combined, right? Literally. If it was acid rain, that'd be like the worst thing ever. Oh, man, come on. This is why I made the video. Come on, wind. Come on, Mr. Wind. This is why I'm making the video. Anyway, yeah. I guess I could have recorded this for a while, or whatever. I don't know how long I could record this. Still here, Roscoe? Okay, wait. See, look at that. Look at them trees over there. Now look at that tree moving. Look at that. Whoa. If you have stars, Anchor, yeah, just never mind about that. Never mind. Anyway, I'm just gonna stay quiet and wait until like the storm becomes really bad, and just let the camera go on for you guys. Okay? Here you go. I'm gonna go in the front now. I'm gonna go see the front now. Technical. What? Sorry, technical difficulties. Okay, technical difficulties. Pause. Pause. You guys are back. Sorry for the interruption and waiting. Okay, let's see here. Is there gonna be like some kind of something bad? Something bad gonna happen? Let's see. Just look at our driveway. Look at our driveway. Look at all them leaves. They're crazy. I mean, our backyard was more nice. But let's seriously look at all these leaves. This sucks. Say hi, Roscoe. Hi there. So, look, some nice one in the back. There's some nice one in the front. There's some nice winds in the front. You can watch all the winds are coming down and everything. And all that. Yeah, it's crazy. And just look from over here. Look at the windstorm. Yeah, this windstorm's way over there. Just look at all that. Look at all these leaves. I hate the leaves. I hate them leaves. Come on, let's go back. Difficulties.
Did you not see the mailman stuff?
Difficulties. Please ignore. What? I know. I'll pick it up later. Difficulties. Please ignore. Please ignore. Please ignore and just watch the storm. Watch the windstorm. I'll post a new video when it gets way better. So like later in the day. See you guys.